Right, this A button is broken on my controller. Like you can hear it. It sounds absolutely perfect. The controller is in actually pretty good condition, but it's fucked. But what you should do is find a nice patio floor and just go like that on it. Hopefully it should work, but I'm not too sure. It doesn't look fixed enough, so I reckon. Remember, they're built like a fucking shit house. Maybe that might be a little bit of a problem, but I don't use that anyway. Good as new, I reckon. B button definitely perfect condition. Oh, why are they built so fucking strong? There you go. Fucking useless piece of shit. There you go. That's better. And this is what it should look like once you're done. Now it is ready to be sold as a brand new controller. Yeah, it looks good enough, doesn't it? Does it? I reckon it's not broken enough. No, because the bottom's still attached. Where there's the motherboard. There's half of the bottom, and then there's the other half. Brand spanking new. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.